King news, my lovely, wonderful people. Confusion, serious drama in court as PDP lawyers take opposing stands in Rivers Assembly crisis. Some say they've been met, they've been spoken to, grease have touched their hands, so the hands are very greased and are working according to the reflection of the grease that has touched the hands. I will leave the grease to you to interpret what this grease means. Some might say Ghana must go. You know what that means exactly. Imagine PDP lawyers which came to court to defend the fact that 27 lawmakers left their party, which brought them into power, and joined opposition. And according to the law, they should be sacked. However, they are still there because of Wike. And so PDP is to take them to court to say, you've lost your position. There is no good day. It's ninth time, go to bed. However, they are now opposing themselves, which leads to what we call confusion. And guess what? The courts, the bottom line is to make sure that there's confusion and the case is struck off. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Confusion. Drama in court as PDP lawyers take opposing stands in Rivers Assembly crisis. Instead of go say, we stand together, sack these people, but they say no. They call the fight, they are safe. A mere drama played out at the Abuja division of the Court of Appeal on Thursday as two senior lawyers, Mr. B.F. Foloronshaw and Mr. J.Y. Musa, clashed over the case seeking to sack 27 members of the Rivers House of Assembly, loyal to the Federal Capital Territory Minister Nyesom Wike. Many says some of this lawyer has already been seen by some powers behind, and this was the aim, to ensure that this confusion go on so that the case will be struck off. The controversy began when the applicant's court special panel led by Justice Onyekachi Otas called on the appeals for hearing. The court has scheduled 11 appeals, including different parties in the state. An appeal by the Rivers State government to stay exclusion of the judgment mandating Governor Sim Fubara to represent his 2024 budget proposal to the pro-Wike faction of the House of Assembly. Both Foloronshaw and Musa announced their appearance for the People Democratic Party. But Musa claimed he was mandated to withdraw the appeal, while Foloronshaw denied receiving such directive. And this led to confusion with the judge looking at both of them as a house divided against itself. The court revealed that it received a letter from the People Democratic Party indicating that it did not authorize the appeal and applied to discontinue the case, that the 27 lawmaker can continue. Can you see the problem? Justice Otas queried the lawyers about their brief, with Musa claiming he was briefed by the Alhaji Usman led executive, and Foloronshaw stating he was assigned by the National Legal Advisor. The court ultimately ordered the lawyers to resolve the issue within PDP before coming close to court. The issue of which counsel has been briefed should be clarified by the 29th respondent PDP and court notified. This is not an issue the court can dive into at this time, Justice Otas said, adjourning some appeal to January the 23rd, 2025. Additional appeals related to the crisis in Rivers State were revealed by Mr. Godi Ocho San. Counsel for the Rivers State government and court granted an adjournment for consideration on the matter, scheduling the next hearing for November the 22nd. The Rivers State House of Assembly has been embroiled in a crisis with 27 loyal to Minister Nyesom Wike facing potential removal. So this is exactly what is going on now. So there is confusion because people are not together. Judges go to court and this is saying A, the other judge is saying B. Where do we stand? Where do we stand? That's the problem in all of this. So they were in court and see the problem that has happened. Can you see now that unless something is done drastically, these people are set and ready to ensure that River State becomes a serious bone for contention. And until something is done, until people begin to rise together and ensure that, they do not allow themselves to be bamboozled by the current, spare of people who takes matters and take laws into their hands because they occupy a position, we don't know how far things are really going to change. The change we are envisaging must come, but how? If there is no true position in ensuring that honesty and sincerity is spread across all lines, are we ever going to get the justice we seek? I know that, yes, there is a court, proceedings to ensure that there is fair judgment. But according to the law, automatically, 27 lawmakers left their party. And why in the midst and in the middle of getting an administration going on, they left their job post, their position, and they joined another party. That alone is tantamount to you losing your seat. But guess what? They say no, that they should still be there. And everybody is wondering, how did we get here? Why can't we resolve these lies that is being paraded, that is keeping the nation where it currently is right now? So you can see, these are some of the problems that we are faced with. So there are all kinds of, mindset in terms of who will reflect the true democratic system that we need. Who are those that will stand for what is right, irrespective of whether it favors them or not? Who are those that will be honest and sincere and do not allow their minds to be beclouded, and will stand for what is true, what is right, and say, what, come rain, come shine, we'll stand for truth, honesty, and sincerity, because we stand for the people. So you see, here we are. These are part of the real issues we are faced with. So my people, what do you see? Leave us a comment. Don't forget to please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye-bye.